What's up, guys? Welcome back. So it's been some time since I actually uploaded any content for you guys. So guys, I've got a great new add-on. It's called Legendary. Guys, this is a fork of Exodus somewhat. It does have a different layout, however, but more or less the Exodus fork. So guys, this is a great add-on. Works flawlessly. It scrapes a lot of sources, and it works really well. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab down below and hit that notification bell and hit that thumbs up, guys. Remember to rank my videos on YouTube. I require the thumbs up, and if you think my videos are worth it, guys, hit the thumbs up. So let's get down to it. So as you see, guys, this is the add-on Legendary. So we'll click on that. So there we have it, guys. It opens up fast, it opens flawlessly, and there's no buffer or lagging. Guys, it does scrape a lot of sources, and majority of the sources work well. It gives you open load sources as well, which you will need to pair your device to give you up to 4 hours of viewing time. So as you see, you got the Exodus layout. So you got movies, TV shows, my movies, my TV shows, new movies, new episodes, and legendary movies. So guys, this is the only new setup here, which is legendary movies. So if you actually click on it, it gives you all those old time favorites that is really hard to come by on the net itself. So guys, it does scrape a lot of sources for these old movies, and they work flawlessly. So let's try The Matrix for now. So as we see, guys, it's starting to actually scrape sources. It hasn't found any sources yet. Okay, my bad. So we've got quite a few sources, or scraping up quite a few sources. So just give it some time, guys, for it to actually scrape. Do not cancel. Let it scrape the maximum it can, so you can actually find the working source for your device. Remember, guys, also check my videos out on buffer fix for Kodi 17.6. I've been getting asked a lot of questions about Kodi 18. Guys, Kodi 18 is still in development mode. So I don't advise using it until the final version is out. Bugs and a lot of faults are still on the Kodi 18 application. So guys, as we see, it does pick up. It works quite well. We've got direct links here. So let's try one out, guys. Remember, guys, YouTube is putting us under strain, giving us strikes, so it's very hard for Kodi add-ons to be showed or shared on YouTube. So while you'll have the opportunity, guys, use it. So I'm gonna stop it here, guys. It does start up, so I'm not gonna really play anything. As you see, it works. There's a lot of links, so there's about 697 links. Guys, remember, my channel is about Kodi and tech, so I will be starting to do some tech reviews and giving you heads up on new technology as well. Guys, so it's a great add-on. As you guys know, let's try new episodes. So as you see, it picks up all the latest episodes that are out, and they work flawlessly, just like our Exodus works. It's a great add-on to have to your Kodi device and to keep you streaming well. Guys, let's get to actually installing this add-on. I don't want to take up much more of your time and keep talking and talking. It's just the add-on, and it's the installation process. So we're going to go back out. It's quite a simple setup. So all you do is go into settings, you go into file manager, you're going to add source, and where it says none, you're going to add the source, guys. So this is the source, guys. http://fspmkodi.com/repo. So you're going to click OK, and you're going to give this source a name. Guys, if your Kodi is not a fresh install and you have a lot of add-ons, I suggest when you're actually giving the source a name, put a hashtag at the beginning and then give a name, right? But I'm not going to do that now, as I already added the source. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to show you guys. I've called it Legend for now, and that's it, guys. And once you're done, you'll click OK. It'll add the source for you, and then you go back out to the main menu. So once you're in the main menu, you're going to click on add-ons, You're going to click on the box in the top left corner. You're going to click on install from zip file. You're going to select the zip file that you created, which mine was called Legend, and you're going to click on the repository.firestick plus man. Once you click on that, guys, give it a few minutes to actually pop up and install the add-on. It will appear in the top right hand side corner as you see here, guys. Once that has been added, you're going to click on install from repository. You're going to go down to the FIRESTICK plus add-ons. You're going to go to video add-ons, and you're going to click on Legendary. Guys, once you click on it, it's going to start to install right in the corner here. It'll say downloading, and it'll go via a percentage. Once you've done that, you will be able to open this add-on. If you click open, you see it opens up quite fast and it works flawlessly, guys. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe tab, hit the notification bell, and hit the thumbs up, guys. One more thing, I will be doing a review on the Samsung Q9FN model, being one of the best rated TVs available right now. Guys, it's a great TV, it works flawlessly, and it has HDR technology. So I will be explaining in detail, so guys stay tuned to that, and I'll see you all in my next upload. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care.